Hi, I'm Stefan, and I'm the onboarding godfather of Clerk.io. I will tell you how you can use your no results page in your search function to still help customers find relevant products in your webshop. Even with a great search function, chances are that you will at some point have customers that search for products that you simply don't have. Most webshops handle this by showing a simple no results page that states that the products weren't found and asking the customer to search for something else. However, most customers that search on your webshop have already browsed around a bit, meaning that we have click history on them. By using this click history, you don't necessarily have to stop the customers at this no results page, but you can actually show them something else that's relevant based on this click history to help them navigate into your webshop again. So the whole premise of using recommendations like this is to make sure that you never show an empty page to your customers, but you always help them navigate back into your webshop. I hope this was useful to you. At Clerk.io, we love helping webshops become as great as possible at selling to their customers. If you think this is interesting, we'd be more than happy to help you out as well. And I'll see you soon.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, you can call us, email us, or use the live chat.